CrownCAD 2026 further enhances engineering drawing capabilities, enabling more efficient drawing creation and more standardized drawings. Enhanced drawing templates allow users to customize title block fields to quickly complete title bar customization. It supports flexible configuration of annotation styles, fonts, arrow sizes, leader lines, and other elements, allowing easy creation of enterprise-specific templates to ensure uniform drawing standards. In addition, section views in engineering drawings support selecting areas to fill with section lines, enhancing drawing readability. Users can also customize section line types and styles to meet specific presentation needs. Model dimensioning becomes more convenient. It supports circular or linear array of dimension information. And one-click association of 3D annotations such as welds, which significantly reduces dimensioning time.